Owner paid $42,000 for lot separately. Immaculate dream home with tons of upgrades. 1-level living, AquaGuard premium water resistant wood base laminate flooring throughout, tumbled stone tile in laundry and tile in baths, new blinds, new washer and dryer, new refrigerator, shiplap drop station, gas fireplace, quartz countertops, walk-in pantry, stainless appliances, tankless hot water heater, front, back, and sides full lawn irrigation, some storage in attic. Owner added sod in backyard, pre-wired for HDMI in living and owner's bedroom. Owner's suite has walk-in shower, and a large walk-in closet. Private backyard west/a wonderful covered porch, no through streets so quiet and ready for spring. Builder will transfer remainder of warranty. No HOA fees. Ready for new owner.